So if we just go in here to these black little tabs and go straight down on in it, just get under the edge and pry. You can see that it starts to open up. Just pry, and you can see it, that black ring lifting and separating, because there's actually a lip right here that we want to pull these over. They ride underneath it. Just pry. Right now, can we get under the rest of it? Get it apart. Okay, hopefully it doesn't fall back down. Pry this one up. Yeah, good. Yeah, we have that off. And now we take the black ring off. The white one's on top of it here. It's catching on these black tabs there, but I think we pretty much have it. And I'll have that off. Just pulled it off the copper spring. Right. And then you take the capsule out. And if that's dirty, whoops, if that's dirty, get it all cleaned up and put it back together. Make sure you do it in the right order. Make sure this gets lined up the right way, right? When you're putting it back together. And then it's just a matter of snapping it all back together. So when you're putting that together, right, here's your orienting lines, right? So we want to know which way is north on that capsule. So we want to pick this part here, right? We have 340, so up to 360, 20, down to 0. So we know that's the north. So that lines up right spot. Oh, over. Okay, so now it's lined up. All right. See, north is here. Your orienting lines are that way. Then you take this part here, and you want, of course, the north to be up at the top there. And now it should be just a matter of squeezing it all back together. And there we go. Done.